Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about hydrogen and its compounds. So this is a new chapter and it is the easiest chapter, and you will score more in this chapter. So that's why you should learn, concentrate. So hydrogen is a first point is hydrogen is lightest gaseous element, and its electronic configuration is 1s1, means it having one proton in the nucleus and one electron around the nucleus. And what is the importance here? No neutrons. Hydrogen does not have any neutron. Next point, it exists as diatomic molecule, that is represented as H2. It is also called dihydrogen. Next point, hydrogen forms more compounds than any other element in the periodic table. So it can form number of compounds than any other element in the periodic table. So this is a primary information about hydrogen, that is dihydrogen. Next topic is very important. The position of hydrogen in the periodic table. So here there is no proper position could not be assigned to hydrogen in the periodic table due to some reasons are there. First one is the properties of hydrogens are resemblance with alkali metals as well as halogens. So that's why here the position of hydrogen could not be assigned in the periodic table. So alkali metals means which are alkali metals? Those are belongs to the first A group elements. Those are which are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. So these are alkali metals. So halogens, the electronic configuration is Ns2, Np5. These are seventh group elements: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Astatine is a radioactive element. Here francium are radioactive elements. Okay, so now we will discuss about some properties of hydrogen's resemblance with alkali metals. So first, resemblance with alkali metals. So which properties of hydrogen resemblance with alkali metals we will discuss. First one is electronic configuration. The electronic configuration of hydrogen is similar to alkali metals electronic configurations. So example here, hydrogen is 1s1, lithium is 1s2, 2s1, 2s1. So how many valency electrons are? 1 electron. So next to sodium, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. 3s1, how many valence electrons? 1 electron. So hydrogen valence electron 1 is similar to alkali metals valence electrons, because all valence electrons having only 1 electron. Next properties, electropositive character of hydrogen is similar to alkali metals. So hydrogen loses 1 electron to form unipositive ions like alkali metals. So hydrogen loss of 1 electron can form H plus ions is similar to alkali metals. So all alkali metals, lithium is exist as a lithium plus ions because it is a more stable form. So sodium loss of 1 electron, it can form Na plus ions. So like alkali metals, hydrogen also loss of one electron can form H plus ion. And the third similar property of alkali metals, hydrogen can form oxides like alkali metals, sodium oxide, potassium oxide. Hydrogen forms halides like alkali metals, NaCl, KCl, sodium chloride, potassium chloride. Hydrogen can also form hydrogen chloride, halide. And the hydrogen can form sulfides like alkali metals, sodium sulfide, potassium sulfide. So like alkali metals, hydrogen can also form hydrogen sulfide. So from this information we can conclusion that some properties of hydrogens are a resemblance with alkali metals. First one is electronic configuration, second one is electropositive character, and the third one is formation of compounds. Next, resemblance with halogens. First one is electronic configuration of halogens or electronic configuration of hydrogen. Here, how much the electronic configuration of hydrogen? 1s1. So only one electron will be less to obtain noble gases configuration. In halogens also, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. In halogens also, only one electrons will be less to obtain the noble gases configuration. First example here, fluoride. How many valence electrons? Only one electron will be less to obtain the noble gases configuration. So that's why hydrogen is similar to halogens, electronic configurations. Next, electronegative character. So hydrogen accepting one electron to form hydride is similar to halogens. All halogens accepting one electron can form halides, fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide like. Next, non-metallic character. Hydrogen containing the non-metallic character similar to all halides. And the hydrogen can exist as a diatomic molecules similar to halides. And the ionization enthalpy of hydrogen is also similar to halides. So from these properties we can conclusion that some properties of hydrogens are a resemblance with halogens. Okay, but here some of the properties are different from alkali metals as well as halogens. For example, we take a electropositivity. Electropositivity of hydrogen is less than the alkali metals, and electronegativity of hydrogen is less than halogens. So from this we can conclusion that some properties of hydrogens differ from alkali metals and halogens. Electropositivity is less comparing with alkali metals, and electronegativity will be less comparing with halogens. And the next one is another property, alkali metals. Unlike alkali metals and halogens, hydrogen contain only one proton in its nucleus. Hydrogen contain only one proton in the nucleus. Next, H plus ions. H plus ion size is smaller than alkali metals, and the hydride ion size is larger than the halogens. Hydride ion size is larger than the halogens. H plus ion size is smaller than the alkali metals. So from this information we can observe that some properties of hydrogen difference from alkali metals and halogens. So all this information we can conclusion that the position of hydrogen is unique or anomalous in the periodic table. This is our conclusion, because some properties of hydrogens with alkali metals, some properties of hydrogen is similar to halogens, and some properties of hydrogens are different from both alkali metals as well as halogens. So that's why the position of hydrogen is unique or anomalous in the periodic table.